So today we got a British Bin liquor here, and I'll be unboxing and give a little review about this product. So as you can see, this is a 250 gram product and its MRP is near about 250 rupees, but you will get much cheaper in online and offline stores. So what's special about this product? So this product is perfect for English liquor tea. Those who love those British liquor tea, they can have it. It is perfect for having breakfast, and you can have it all day long. So as you can see, this is a product of Calcutta. So let's quickly unbox it and see what's inside of it. So I don't have knife right now, so I'll be using this scissor to open this box. Now let's open this. So as you can see, this is quite well sealed, so it's really hard to get the product wasted due to any moistures or any natural elements. So it's really well sealed. Let's see what's inside. And as you can see, there is a white box inside, white packaging actually. So it's looking beautiful, and okay, let's pull it out. So this white coating or white packaging, actually the weatherproof packaging, it's have been coated with weatherproof materials, so the basic tea leaves will be retained as it is. Okay, so in the box we are also getting some instruction manual and also some codes. That's beautiful. You can read it. This is the specialty of our tea. So you can see the clear instruction. Boil 2.5 cup of water and turn off the heat and add a tablespoon of tea and stir and cover it, leave for 5 to 10 or 15 minutes according to its states, and add the amount sugar, stir and stir. So let's keep it aside. So I'll be preparing some liquor tea with these leaves and give you a short review about this product. So right now I'm showing you guys how the leaves looks like inside the box. This is the leaf. You can see this is for the English liquor tea, British Bin liquor. Okay, right now we are boiling the water and we have to maintain the temperature in between 80 degrees to 100 degrees. So we'll put the liquor leaves right now and we'll cover it for 5 to 10 minutes according to our needs. So as I like hard liquor, so I have kept it for 10 minutes. Aroma is really good. So I'll just taste this liquor tea and will give you guys a feedback about what it's actually tastes like. So it's looking really dark here because I like the hard liquor. Yeah, it tastes just fantastic.